Video right now.
6 feet apart.
Okay.
This is to award. Wait a minute, let me get the picture.
Okay, go ahead.
This is to award Mr. Scott of Escondido Meadows. He has officially been our first October 2020 Yard of the Month. Congratulations.
Woo!
Also includes a $25 gift card. Woohoo! There you are, sir. Thank you so much.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Beautiful,
Thank you.
y'all.
Look at that. Look at that, folks. Look at that.
Okay, where we gonna place it now?
Wherever you want.
We trying to make sure we don't punch no water lines, so you gotta let us know.
Okay. There's no water lines. Well, yeah, but they're down deep.
Right there. How about right here? So
Yeah,
you
that's
can
good.
coming and going.
That's good.
All right.
Are you, wait, hold on. Are you gonna be cutting your grass anytime soon?
No. No, I think I already cut it yesterday, 2 days ago.
Well, it's gonna be here a month, so I guess you had to pull it up and put it down.
Yeah, I could do that. Oh no, I got weed eaters.
Okay.
I got guys that could work around it.
Oh, so you're saying you want to do this over?
No.
Photo up.
No. So when you put it in,
Okay.
you don't have to take it out and do it again.
Okay. Go ahead and put it in. She brought the mallet to hammer it.
Your call. Angle it.
Yeah, no, that's fine. Yeah, just like perfect.
Okay. As we drive in.
So I can see it as I come out too.
Oh yeah, it can be seen really well. You got some thick graves.
Yeah.
Oh, that's perfect, you guys.
Bermuda.
Is it any
That's a real grass.
A little more?
I think it's just a little bit further.
How do you like the sign, guys?
I like it. Looks good.
A little bit
There
more?
we are.
Think we good? A little bit more?
It's a very nice sign.
I think on the
Just-
bottom we should put like the monk.
Can we go deeper?
Huh?
Can we go deeper?
Yeah, you can go as deep as you want. There's no sprinklers there.
Okay. What'd you say?
On the bottom of it?
Uh-huh.
If you hit oil, we'll split it.
Okay, that works. I know, but we had to go.
It looks even.
Looks even?
Looks even.
Excellent.
Awesome sauce!
Woo!